Hey everyone, welcome back to PCOS Insights, your go-to spot for hormone health and women's wellness solutions. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button and tap the bell so you don't miss out. Today we're counting down the top 3 essential vitamins to prevent and heal a yeast infection fast. Have you been dealing with itching, burning, or recurring yeast infections that just won't go away? You're not alone. Millions of women struggle with yeast overgrowth, and often the root cause goes deeper than just hygiene or antibiotics. The real issue, imbalances in your gut, hormones, and blood sugar, especially if you have PCOS or other hormone-related conditions. In this video, you'll learn about 3 essential vitamins that support your body from the inside out. These aren't random supplements. They're backed by science and chosen for their direct impact on yeast balance, hormone health, and immune support. Whether you're trying to heal fast or prevent the next infection, these vitamins could make all the difference. I'll break each one down in simple terms, so you know what it does, how it helps, and why it's especially powerful for women. And if you've been diagnosed with PCOS, have high blood sugar, or irregular periods, this video is especially for you. Stick around to the end for a recap and a quick guide to building your supplement stack the right way. Let's dive in. First on the list is vitamin C. Vitamin C is more than just an immune booster, as it's one of the most powerful tools against yeast overgrowth. It helps create an environment in your body that's less friendly to Candida, the fungus that causes yeast infections. But what makes it even more essential for women is how it supports immune health, vaginal pH, and blood sugar balance. When your blood sugar is high, like in insulin resistance or PCOS, yeast thrives. Vitamin C helps lower inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity, which in turn reduces the sugar that yeast feeds on. It also strengthens the walls of your vaginal and gut tissue, making it harder for yeast to break through and spread. If you've been dealing with repeat infections, a weak immune system might be playing a role, and vitamin C helps rebuild that defense. Studies show that women who take enough vitamin C have fewer infections, quicker recovery, and better healing after antibiotics. Plus, it helps support your adrenal glands, which regulate stress hormones. And stress is another major trigger for yeast. The best part? You can get it from foods like kiwi, bell peppers, and berries, or take a buffered supplement for gentler absorption. Start low, around 500 milligrams per day, and build up as needed. And don't take it with dairy, that can reduce absorption. Next up is vitamin D. And if you're low in this vitamin, your body may struggle to fight off yeast infections, especially if you have PCOS. Vitamin D is like a hormone in your body. It doesn't just support bones, it affects your immune system, your blood sugar, and your gut. Low vitamin D levels have been directly linked to more frequent vaginal infections and higher inflammation levels. For women with PCOS, studies show that raising your vitamin D levels can improve insulin resistance, regulate periods, and reduce androgen excess. And when your hormones are balanced, yeast is less likely to flare up. Vitamin D also plays a role in maintaining the mucosal lining in your gut and reproductive tract, your body's natural barrier against infections. It even helps regulate tight junctions in your gut lining, which means it supports gut health, a key factor in controlling yeast from the inside. Plus, it enhances production of antimicrobial peptides, which act like your body's own yeast-fighting army. Most women are deficient in vitamin D, especially those with darker skin or who live in colder climates. You can get it from sunshine, but not enough if you're indoors a lot. A safe starting dose is 1,000 to 2,000 IU per day, but many women need more, especially if you've tested low. Always take it with a meal that includes fat to improve absorption. And remember, this isn't just about yeast. Vitamin D is one of the best long-term supports for hormone balance overall. The last essential is the vitamin B complex, especially B6, B12, and folate. These B vitamins are critical for detoxification, hormone regulation, and immune health, all areas tied to yeast overgrowth. If your body can't clear out excess estrogen or toxins properly, Candida can thrive. Vitamin B6, for example, helps support progesterone production, which keeps estrogen in check, and too much estrogen can feed yeast. B vitamins also help with energy metabolism, so your cells can function well and recover faster. In women with PCOS or high stress, B vitamins are often depleted, especially if you're on birth control or metformin. And guess what? Yeast loves a stressed out body. It weakens the immune response and slows down healing. B12 is essential for nerve function and tissue repair. And folate helps with methylation, which is how your body detoxes yeast toxins. Plus, B vitamins help stabilize blood sugar. a crucial step if you're trying to starve out yeast from the inside. They also play a role in supporting your gut lining and microbiome, which protects against infections. Look for a methylated B complex. That means it's in the active form your body can actually use. Avoid cheap B complexes that include folic acid. You want folate instead. Take your B vitamins earlier in the day to avoid energy crashes or sleep disruption. If your body is under stress, recovering from infection, or managing hormone issues, this vitamin family can be a game changer. Yeast infections aren't just a surface problem, they're a sign of something deeper out of balance. Whether it's blood sugar, hormones, or immune health, your body needs real support to heal, not just temporary fixes. That's why vitamin C, vitamin D, and a B complex are such powerful tools. They work from the inside out. Vitamin C fights infection and boosts immunity. Vitamin D balances hormones and strengthens your natural defenses. And the B vitamins keep your blood sugar steady and support your body's ability to detox. Together, they form a solid foundation for preventing future infections, especially if you're managing PCOS or hormone issues. Before you grab another over-the-counter cream, think about what your body is really asking for. Start with these 3 vitamins and see how your body responds over the next few weeks. And remember, consistency is key. Supplements work best when you give your body time to adjust and heal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with another woman who needs it. Comment below if you've tried any of these or have questions about dosages. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and take care of your body. It's working hard for you every single day. Drop a comment below and share where you are in your journey. Your words could be the reminder someone else needs right now.